was a child, my mother always used to tell me not to be out in the rain. "You'll catch a cold," she'd say. But I was so intrigued by it. I wanted to stand out and let the rain soak me to the bone, touch the tears of the clouds, feel the drops fall from the sky. Sometimes I'd walk a little bit slower home from school when it rained, splish splash in the puddles on the sidewalk until I dried off at home. So now when it rains and the streets glisten and the raindrops patter and there's a hush in the city, all I want to do is stand out in the rain, walk and splash, and let the raindrops kiss my face. I like the way the colors of the world blur and meld into each other, sometimes leaving you unsure if light is shining from the source or a reflection on the water. The other day I watched a movie that made me cry so hard it might as well have rained in the theater. My cheeks wet with tears, any trace of makeup gone. I stepped outside and the rain hid the evidence. Was that girl incredibly sad, or did the rain just get the best of her? No one could tell. I looked up at the sky and the raindrops washed away my tears. The rain washes away a lot of things. I think everyone could benefit from a little walk in the rain every once in a while.